my channel and welcome back to today's video. For today's video, I have a huge HALARA try-on haul. But before we get started with today's video, if you're new here, welcome. I'm Fabiola, and if you love anything that's pink, girly, and love shopping, then go ahead and click the subscribe button down below. Click the bell notification and follow me on my Instagram. That being said, let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So today's video is in collaboration with HALARA. I'm so excited and so thankful to share with you all these gorgeous pieces that I got. I do have a little bit of everything, and if you're not familiar with HALARA, they do have gorgeous pieces on their website. They have sportswear, they have pants, jeans, dresses. Their dresses are super trendy and so popular right now because they're literally the most comfiest dresses out there. I will leave you the links to all the products mentioned in today's video down below, but let's go ahead and get started. So everything that I ordered is in this bag, and it is so heavy, and it all comes individually packaged, which I think is so nice. So I will be doing a try on haul and then sharing with you my thoughts on these pieces. Okay, so here's outfit number one, and I'm already in love with this. It's so beautiful. I love the fact that it has this little ruching detail here, and you can adjust this. So if you don't like it to be like super high up, you can definitely lower it down. I personally like it the way it is. It's so beautiful, and it has this like open detail here, which almost makes it look like it's a two-piece, but it's actually one. The quality on this is incredible. It is super soft, very stretchy. This is such a stretchy material, like so comfortable. And it goes all the way down to your ankles, which is so pretty. You can definitely style this with like some really gorgeous like sparkly sandals.
Going all to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances? Empty-handed, you like fast life.
Okay, this outfit is also another of my favorites. I love the shorts. They are extremely comfortable. These are shorts, believe it or not, and they almost look like you're wearing like a mini skirt, but they're actually shorts. It covers the front right here. You can just unwrap this and it looks like a skirt. So it's so comfortable. The material on this is extremely soft. It is very flowy, very breathable, and it has little ruffles all on the bottom. It's so beautiful. I am obsessed with this little shorts. And the top right here is another of the tops that has the removable cups, so you can remove them. It is stretchy, breathable, and let me show you the back. Don't mind my horrific sunburn. I went to the beach and I did not apply enough sunscreen on my back, so now I have this like terrible sunburn in my back. So yeah, don't mind that. But look at the top right here. It has this gorgeous detail here. That's what I love about the HALARA tops, that it just makes it look so pretty, and the design and all their outfits are incredible. Like such a pretty little top, and I am like obsessed with these shorts. Like so comfortable.
You like to drive, get down and dirty, act like a bad guy. You want some love, like when you feel caught in the midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep.
So up next is this gorgeous dress. It's the Easy Peasy dress. I got this in black just because I needed a little more black outfits in my wardrobe. Everything I have is literally like pink. So I decided to get it in black, and I love this dress so much. It is so comfy. It's just so flowy, and the material is so nice. It's very cooling, and what I love about this dress is that it comes in with built-in shorts. So you don't have to worry about a thing. You can wear it. It can be windy outside and you don't have to worry about a thing because it does come with the built-in shorts, and it does come with little pockets on the side. So if you want to put your cell phone in there, your credit card, anything. You can just literally like put it in there and you're all set to go if you're not carrying a handbag. So this is so great. This is the back. It has beautiful details in the back. It's like open. It has this like knotted detail. So back then when they just came out with this dress, it was like a whole one piece. So in order to go to the bathroom, you had to take like literally everything down like a romper. But they redid the whole thing, and now the shorts do come down. So I think that's amazing and it's great, and it's such a pretty dress. So yeah, this is the easy peasy dress, and I will link it down below. This next outfit here, I am obsessed. Like, everything about this outfit is so gorgeous. Both of these pieces are from HALARA, and look how beautiful these are. So we'll start off with the shorts. By the way, everything that I will be mentioning in today's video is a size medium if you need reference. But look at these shorts. So comfortable. These are double lined, so the bottom here does have shorts and it does have a pocket as well. It's very stretchy. The material is like incredibly soft. Even the shorts in the back have this like little secret compartment in here, so you can even put more items in there. So the top is also from HALARA, and it also comes in multiple colors. This does have removable cups, so if you don't want to wear them, you can definitely take them off. But I love the fact that this has really nice, stretchy and comfortable straps. And look at the thickness on this. It's so comfortable. And the back is literally my favorite. It has like a crisscross design. You tie it in the back, and it just looks so gorgeous. Okay, I'm ready to hit the gym. I am so ready with this outfit. Such a gorgeous set. These have got to be the comfiest work pants I have ever had. They are incredibly soft, very stretchy. It just hugs your body. They're high-waisted, and they have the detail of like the zipper, the back pockets, like literally everything, but they're almost kind of like leggings. They just feel incredible. The bottom are flared, which is super cute and very trendy. After wearing these pants, I don't think I want to go back to wearing regular pants anymore. These are so soft and so comfortable. And then the top right here is such a pretty top. Like, I am obsessed with this. I did pick this up in this beautiful dusty rose color. It also has removable pads. The straps are very comfortable. It is a very stretchy and breathable material. Check out the back. Look how beautiful it is. Like crisscross. And that's what I love about their tops, is that all their tops have really gorgeous designs.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love.
Alright, check out these gorgeous jogger pants. These are extremely comfortable, very soft, like incredibly soft, like literally like the best. And these come in many colors. I did get these in this like super light shade of gray, which is beautiful. It goes with like pinks and whites. It does have a little drawstring in here. The waist area is incredibly stretchy and it's high-waisted. It's nice and thick, so it's not going to roll down. It does have pockets, and then in one of the pockets right here, it does have a separate little zipper compartment if you want to put your money or your card and don't want it to get lost as you're jogging. So it does have like a little zipper compartment in there. These are fitted in the ankle here, so they are very nice and very comfortable. These are incredible. Highly recommend these jogger pants. These have got to be the best jogger pants I own. Like, I am obsessed.
Show me light, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got.
I'm in love with this outfit. Everything about it is so beautiful. So we're gonna start off with the top. So the top is a beautiful long sleeve top. It does have little thumb holes, and what's great about this top is that it is padded. They are removable pads, so you can remove them, and the detail here on the front almost makes it seem like it's two pieces, but it's actually only one. It is attached, and it does have this little clasp that you can just hook in to just make it look like prettier, and it gives you like a little bit additional support. The top is like a halter top, but like I said, it is in one piece. However, it does look like it's two pieces, which I really love. I got this in this beautiful light cream color. So the leggings, oh my goodness, the leggings are amazing. They are so soft, very stretchy, and it just makes everything just kind of like snatch in, which I really love. I don't think I have any leggings that are as comfortable and as flattering as these. They are super high-waisted, and the top right here is incredibly stretchy. It just tucks you right in, and it also has like additional support on the sides right here. It's like extra stretchiness, like it really like tucks you in. Check out the back. It has this like little Ruched detailing here, which just makes your butt look so big, and it looks so pretty, so snatched. I think these two paired together looks so pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments below.
Show me life, show me love, this is all we got. Show me love, show me love, this is all we got.
So next up is this gorgeous dress in this beautiful green. So I originally wanted to get this in the color black, but they were sold out, and I decided to get it in green, and I am so glad that I did, because this is such a beautiful green. I don't have any green in my wardrobe, and I have to say that I am literally obsessing over this color. It's such a beautiful color. It's gorgeous, and I think it's like perfect for the summer. I'm so glad I didn't get it in black, because I feel like I already got like a bunch of stuff in black, and I am actually really happy that I got it in this shade. It does have a slit that goes all the way up here, but it's not like super high up. I think it's still like modest enough to be able to wear out, and I absolutely love it, and you can be comfortable at the same time. It does have a little cutout detail here on the front, and I love the way that the cut is in here in the front of the chest. It's almost kind of like a ruched detail, but it's like, I don't know, it just makes it look so pretty. It's like different. The back is definitely my favorite.
Show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, show me life, show me love, make a change, time is up. We can wait for better days, but the days won't come. Show me life, show me love, this is all we got.